Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot Bluetooth issues on Windows 11 using the built-in Bluetooth Troubleshooter. So, if your Bluetooth devices aren't connecting or if you're experiencing intermittent issues, this handy tip is for you. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings app. And then you have to hit the System tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to choose the Troubleshoot option. Next up, you have to choose the Other Troubleshooters option. You will now see a list of troubleshooters available in Windows 11. Then you have to scroll down to find the Bluetooth Troubleshooter, and then you have to click on the Run button next to Bluetooth. And voila, Windows will now start checking for the common Bluetooth issues on your PC, and the troubleshooter will diagnose potential problems and attempt to fix them automatically. If it finds any issue, it may provide recommendations or apply fixes to get your Bluetooth working again. And once the troubleshooting process is complete, you will see a summary of the actions taken. If Windows suggests additional steps, make sure to follow those to further troubleshoot. And there you have it. You have successfully run the Bluetooth Troubleshooter on your Windows 11 device. If issues persist, I would recommend you to update the Bluetooth drivers or even restart the Bluetooth support service. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.